Hello guys, review Teclast T50 Plus. This version 6GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completation. In completation we have device, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable, and key for SIM slot. This LTE version. Okay, that's all completation. Now talk about device. We have 11-inch display, camera on the back side, LED, Type-C port, headphones port, slot for SIM card and micro SD card, speaker, first speaker, second speaker, and on the upside we have buttons. IPS Full HD Plus display, 90 Hz. Okay. Android 14 we have. Open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Unisoc T620 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Okay. AnTuTu benchmark. Open. Super results for device, and open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile load. Okay. Settings we have. We can switch medium settings preset or this settings preset. Game works very good, without lags and glitches, smooth. Okay, close this. Okay, camera we have eight megapixels front camera and 13 megapixels main camera. Video we can record in Full HD 30 frame rate. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.